Hey guys, Bobby here with another video. I wanted to announce an exciting thing I'm doing this next 2 weeks. Alright guys, I'm going to Nicaragua for 2 weeks for a grind camp slash dropship house. So I have this up on my screen here to work together, build together, play together. Grind camp hosted by No BS Dropshipping, aka Marc Augustine here. So Marc Augustine, he's been running DS Genie, has a background in mathematics, 10 plus years of actual drop shipping. So here, he's the founder of the DS Genie, like I said, and Grind Camp. Also Tom Cormier from Ecom Tom, aka Dropshipping University. He's been dropshipping for 14 months, done over 1.3 million in sales. Shout out to Tom. Gonna go see you soon. And he's actually, like me, from Massachusetts, although he moved out to, I believe, Colorado. I'm excited to link up with him. And if you've seen some of my videos, I did interview him way back when, probably a couple months ago. And then, so just so you guys know, Grind Camp in Nicaragua, right? That's 80-degree weather. Okay. So the purpose from himself, he said, we wanted to create a community of like-minded people, eager to help not only grow their own business, but to see the people around them continue to grow through collaboration and community sharing. So yeah, right now I want to elevate my eBay business, go down there, hopefully learn a lot more tips and tricks on how to automate my eBay business and outsource that, make a system so I could outsource that particular part of my business and continue on. So where we're going is actually San Juan, which is the beach part of Nicaragua, right? So the property is arguably on the most beautiful real estate in Nicaragua. So I'm so excited. It's like a beach town. Beach town, look at that, guys. Marc's gonna hook us up with our own maid, our own chef, and our own driver. Excited, man. Gonna be there Monday. So a couple other things here. So Alexandra and Eric's already there. You're gonna hear her. Alexandra.
For the eBay dropshipping house, and what I do is I dropship on eBay.
So it's only been 4
There's
days
Eric.
so far, but I already feel that I'm
Also in the inner circle.
Everybody here has been so nice, and it feels like a family vibe. And I've been able to be so productive and got so many things done, and there's so many projects that I get to work on and have my hand in. And I'm so grateful for the opportunities that Marc has given me, and for the ability to have the dropship house happen the time that it is. And I'm just very thankful to Marc, and I'm excited to see where this whole project goes. Thanks, guys.
I'm excited, honestly. When I came here today, working with everybody, they're helping me out with my eBay account, and I feel more comfortable being here than when I was in the States, which is kind of weird since it's a third world country. No one really expects you to be so comfortable in the States. But now that I'm here, I'm like, I don't know, I'm happy here. I've loved the project so far. I've seen the house, all of this is real. Honestly, I'm here, I'm happy, I'm excited.
So I'm excited to announce, like I said, I'm going to do a video vlog of my 14 days at Grind Camp slash Dropship House. So follow along, guys. If you're not subscribe with the alert. Click the notification bell. Like I said, if you want, continue on. The two other guys that are in here, like I said, Ecom Tom and Chris. Ready?
Hi, my name is Chris, and I'm from North Carolina. I came to Grind Camp to learn about Amazon automation, work on my eBay stores, potentially get a new eBay store because mine's going a little slow. But right now I'm doing probably about $3 or $4 grand a month on eBay.
Oh, all right. How's it it going? My name's Tom Cormier. I run a YouTube channel, Ecom Tom.
The boy Ecom
But I'm also
Tom.
here at Grind Camp right now to learn more and connect with everybody else. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Billerica, Massachusetts originally, but I now live in Colorado. This is actually my second time being in Nicaragua and meeting Marc and everybody like that. So what I really want to get out of this is really just see how everybody else is building their businesses other than what I'm doing. I always get a different perspective out there, but I also want to teach people, and I feel like that's, you know, the whole group community setting is really what helps expedite that process as much as possible. And so, I mean, that's where I'm at right now. I'm selling on eBay. I've been selling on eBay for about 16 months of doing dropshipping related things. I've done over $1.3 million in sales last year in 2018. I also did manage to quit my job in 2018 and stop actually working a real job. I am a chemical engineer. I went to a 4-year school, got a real degree, and you know, I left that and pursued an online business career. So besides that, I do sell on Amazon, and I also, you know, make courses and create content and sell that. So it's pretty much where I'm at, and that's what I got. If you're gonna go out there and you're gonna wanna actually create an online business, you have to treat it like it's a business, and you have to really actually put the work in. Nothing is gonna come overnight. Nothing is gonna be easy. But if you put the hard work in, you will reap the benefits and eventually be able to automate, replace things, and you won't actually have to be working in your business, but you have to put the work in to initially get there and never give up. Believe in yourself.
Alright guys, so look out for my next video. Like I said, I'm going to do a vlog on Nicaragua, 14 days I'm there. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below, or anything you guys want me to learn or bring back with me. Hit subscribe and the alert with the notification bell. Alright guys, have a good one. See you soon.